I don't have a comb. We had a good run, but alas, now we must part. Yeah, I think I need to take a before and after picture. What do you guys think? I I have done this before, just once before. Like, if you guys remember that stream, that was a long time ago. Looks like a good clipper. Put a drop of oil. This thing, right? It came with this. So this must be the oil. It's sealed. How do I... Do I have to cut this off? I think they melted the... Okay, I need to get a scissor. Okay, I have the oil. I'm outside. Yeah, I'm on the balcony. Did I put the oil directly on the thing? Huh? What? Oh, I guess I need to change this, right? I think it might still be on cooking. So we just gotta fix it to just chatting. Let's see. It's not cooking anymore. Is there any other tags that I can do? Education. Hard mode. we put it on hard mode, guys. And mental health. Speedrun? We put speedrun category. Nice. Backseat gaming allowed. Nice, nice, nice. ASMR. Mental health, that's the ticket, that's for sure. At least his mental health. I don't know. I guess mine too. I don't know, I don't mind his long hair, but he really dislikes it. Okay. Dude, so usually professional hair stylists and whatever, they use very lightweight tools because they're using it all day. This guy went and ordered this is at least like 2-3 pounds or something, you know?